Besides, could each player or two amongst our characters rarely leave too long?
Inside a soundstage is a nice controlled space for filmmakers and TV shows to create. That's to the left, stage 20. There's a poster on the front of it for Superstore. That's one of the NBC comedies that films on our lot. It stars America Ferrera and Ben Feldman. Now look how close we get to these sound scenes filmed in stage 21. Not at the real Mission Control. Oftentimes it's easier for filmmakers to stay in the nice controlled environment of a film studio as opposed to go to the real world location. As long as they can believably recreate the location here on the lot, they'll often prefer to stay here because they have total control on our lot. Up ahead to the right, stages 41 and 42. Oh, we got a poster for the Downton Abbey movie coming out soon. Everybody's stoked about that, right? These used to be fancy dressing rooms for movie stars that worked here, like Paul Newman, Doris Day, Lucille Ball, and Jimmy Stewart, and a few acres of land. We have a New York City street on the left there, kind of curves out of sight. A lot of big hit movies are filmed on that street, like Captain America, The First Avenger, The Fate of the Furious, and the upcoming Hobbs and Shaw. Next on the left, we have a big brick wall. That is all fiberglass sheeting that dangle over the edge of a cliff in one scene in the film with Julianne Moore and Jeff Goldblum.
We have some of the cars from Back to the Future Part 2. In that movie, they said we would have flying cars by the year 2015. I think we're running a little late. We have Fred Flintstone's and Barney Rubble's cars from the live-action Flintstones movies, and various cars from various Fast and Furious films. We also have a gyrosphere from our mega hits Jurassic World and Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. Each one of these vehicles looks unique. But for every one of these vehicles, we have multiple versions, and each version has its own.
In our western town, some of them, you may spot out pieces of paper taped to them. Those are called hold tags. That's literally how you call dibs on a prop if you're working here. If you're working on a movie and you see a prop over there that you think would look great in your film, like, a crate or a wagon wheel or something, you just put a hold tag on it, usually with the name of your film, so everybody knows, don't touch this, somebody else has dibs.
Can we get some rain, please? We have rain falling on the left. So if you look at the rain, look a little higher. You'll see sprinklers shooting the water up into the air, and when it falls, it looks just like the real stuff. What? Look at on the left. Remember what I said about getting wet, especially if you're on the left-hand side. In the first one. Don't worry about all that water. We are very water bags here at NBC Universal. We're not going to waste any of it. It'll be back at the top of the river.
Everybody hang on, please. Oh, sorry, no, it's not over here at all. The big one. It just wasn't that crazy.
These are some of the Whoville houses from the live-action film. They are made entirely of styrofoam. But who knew that Whoville was right around the corner from the Bates Motel?
And to sit down to talk about War of the World, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep pressing me. Listen, now listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Now I'm closed.
It's a woman!